What's up everyone, Musk here, and today I'm bringing you a very quick video. This is a lot different from any other videos because this is just one clip. Basically, you won't be able to see exactly what happened because I was using it in the theatre. I wasn't actually recording at the time, but I got it off of the Counter-Strike Go theatre. Basically, I got a triple feed, and as you may know by watching my other videos, I am absolutely shit at this game. So this was amazing for me, so I don't want to hear shit about, oh, I've got 5-man feeds or whatever with a fucking spunking dick or something. I don't fucking know, but this was good for me, so I hope you enjoy the clip and we'll see you next time.